First up, we have demand and production planning. Business Central allows you to align your production capacity with real customer demand and sales forecasts, using the master production schedule and material requirements planning. You can forecast your production needs and make sure you are not overproduction or wasting resources. This means you will have exactly what you need, when you need it, and avoid unnecessary costs. Once your plan is in place, the next step is to convert it into action. In Business Central, you can easily manage production orders. These orders break down the entire process into steps that are easy to track. You will have real-time visibility on cost, progress, and resources used. This gives you full control over the production process and helps avoid any bottlenecks along the way. Another key feature is resource optimization. Business Central helps you make the most of your machines, tools, and employees by scheduling them efficiently. You can see exactly which resources are available, preventing overbooking and ensuring that everything runs smoothly. By optimizing your resources, you will minimize downtime and maximize productivity. Now, let's talk about inventory and materials control. With Business Central, you can keep a close eye on your inventory in real time. The system automatically tracks your raw materials and finished goods and even sends out alerts when stocks levels are low. This automation helps you avoid stockouts and costly production delays, ensuring that always have the materials you need for the production orders. By managing your inventory efficiently, you save time, reduce cost, and improve your overall supply chain. Finally, one of the most powerful tools in Business Central is its real-time reporting analysis. With just a few clicks, you can generate detailed reports that show the efficiency of your production, track costs, and even identify potential areas for improvement. These insights give you the data you need to make smarter, faster decisions, ensuring your production stays on track and your profits stay healthy.